Okay, squat check first, because cute leggings mean nothing if they're see-through. These are high-waisted without digging in. I feel held in but not squeezed. I'm doing squats and stretches here, and the fabric stays fully en pair. The best part is that second skin feel, soft, stretchy, and not stiff. Soft recommend if you want.
MiniMax H3.
That back print just lit up.
Yeah, small surprise. But I like that it still looks like a clean black tee first. The front is minimal and the fit is easy. This is the kind of merch I'd actually wear out, not just keep as a souvenir. It works because it doesn't try too hard.
It feels more like a fit than merch.
Exactly. For a show, a late coffee run, or just a night walk, it feels easy. You still get that MiniMax detail on the back, but it doesn't take over the outfit.
I'd wear that to a gig.
Same. That's why this one works.
Do we finally have an open source model that can take on LTX 2.3? Overnight, MiniMax and the Hailuo team dropped the weights for H3. Right now, it's ranked #1 in video editing and top 3 in text to video, ahead of models you pay per second for. Everything you just watched, picture, voice, music, room tone, came out of it in one pass. I've been running LTX 2.3 on a 5090 for months, so in the next 7 minutes you'll know exactly which files to download, the trap that wastes 45 gigs, and one prompt trick that makes this model actually work, because MiniMax didn't open source all of it. Let's find out if this is the new open source champ. So first thing, H3 isn't just a video model, it's an omni-modal model. Text, images, video and audio in. Video with native stereo audio out. One 33 billion parameter transformer, no TTS stage, no lip sync stage, no audio pass. 4 to 15 seconds of generation, 24 frames, any aspect from cinema wide to vertical. Now here's the part that nobody else is going to tell you today. H3 is a 3-part system. MiniMax opened one of the 3 parts. Locally, you get 768p, not 2K. So 6 versions on Hugging Face. 4 of them waste your disk. Grab the ones marked pruned. 40% of this model is modulation weights. The Comfy team replaced with a lookup table. Identical output. 45 gigs smaller. And watch this. 2 separate checkpoints. Text to video and image to video use one, and reference to video uses completely different weights. 21 gigs each, and you need both. Megapixels to 1.0, multiple stays at 32. The template ships with a preview size. That's why early tests they look soft. Duration snaps to a 17 frame grid. You don't get 3 seconds. Hit Q and listen to that. The audio was never added, it was generated with the image. The single biggest lever in this model is your references are addressed by connection order. Picture 1, video 1, audio 1, and you must tell it what each one is for. Identity, style, or motion, voice. Same seed, same references. One prompt assigns jobs, one doesn't. Look at the difference.
Subscribe to Codebreakers!
Now the honest bit. No lightning LoRa exists yet. These weights are guidance distilled, not step distilled. Early numbers, a 3060 does 20 steps in about 10 minutes. When a 4-step LoRa drops, and every open model has got one within weeks, everything here gets 5 times faster. And let's add one line of admin, commercial use is free, under $20 million revenue with attribution. It's a condition, it's not a courtesy. The workflows, the exact settings, the prompt structure, template that replaces the closed modules are all in the link below. The moment the step distill LoRa drops, the same post gets updated. Please subscribe, because when it lands, everything in this video gets 5 times faster, and I'll cover it that day. Do check out the Codebreakers website, everything's on there. You've got workflows for every model going. We try to champion open source here. Comments and feedback's greatly appreciated. I'll be dropping something fresh in the next few days. I hope this has been interesting, guys.